Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by bringing data into Excel with intent, import via get and transform so you can shape before analysis. Once loaded, immediately remove duplicate rows and set correct data types, numbers, dates, text, because wrong types break formulas downstream. Make sure to standardize headers and consistent naming. This prevents key mismatches. If multiple files exist, append them in Power Query and add a source column. Now you have a clean, single table to work from. Once done importing, transform data to analytical shape with purpose. Split combined fields, trim whitespace, and replace nulls or error values so formulas behave predictably. Add calculated columns for ratios, categories, or flags. Normalize inconsistent labels using a lookup table to ensure grouping works. Make sure to validate by sampling rows and using conditional formatting to surface outliers quickly. Then run a pivot table check. You now analyze with intention. Create pivot tables for summaries and use slicers to let viewers explore. Build charts tied to those pivots. Choose clear titles, axis labels, and consistent colors so trends jump out. Once visual, arrange a dashboard with filters on top and a short notes box explaining assumptions. Export as PDF or share workbook with protected ranges. If numbers disagree, check refresh settings and query steps first. Errors usually come from an unrefreshed query or a mismatched data type.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.